are broke not because they're lazy, but because they don't know where the money is. If you're watching this, you're about to learn about a website that can put $500 a day in your pocket. No fluff, no scams, just a straight-up method to make money online. But listen carefully, because if you mess this up, you won't make a dime. The website is called usertesting.com. Here's how it works. Big companies like Airbnb, Microsoft, and even Facebook pay people like you to test their websites and apps. They want real feedback from real users, and they'll pay you up to $60 per test to do it. Go to usertesting.com, hit Get Paid to Test, and sign up. You'll need to complete a sample test to prove you're not a bot. Once approved, you'll get paid for every test you complete. Simple, efficient, profitable. One test takes about 5 to 20 minutes. If you do 10 tests a day at an average of $50 each, that's $500 a day. And guess what? If you combine this with similar sites like Try My UI and Testing Time, you can stack your income. But don't wait. These sites only take a limited number of testers, and if you're late, you're out. Most people will hear this and do nothing. But if you're serious about making money, go sign up right now. And if you want more no BS money-making strategies, subscribe, because I drop straight value every single day.